Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh informed that the state government has notified a 3-member advisory board ahead of enforcing a stringent act against drug abuse called the Prevention of Illicit Trafficking in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances PIT-NDPS Act 1988. Briefing the media, Lyngdoh informed that the advisory board will comprise of retired Justice Shivaji Pandey as chairman and senior advocates N.D. Chulai and Shering Yangi as members. He also said that with the constitution of the advisory board, they are now in a position to fully implement this act with immediate effect.
We waited for and got the confirmation of Honorable Mr. Justice retired Shivaji Pandey. And on the day that he gave his consent, because we would need somebody of that stature, a retired High Court judge, to agree to be chairman, that then you can fill up and constitute the board. It could have been a one-member board, but then to ensure and reiterate our commitment to human rights protection, we made it a 3-member board.